guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be doing some twist on my hair. As you guys can see, I just decided to leave this on the side and then twist up the rest of my hair. But as you can see, my hair is it's not dry, but it's not super wet how I normally start my videos, because I have shampooed, deep conditioned, and I have used leave-in conditioner in my hair, and that is all that I have in my hair at the moment. Now, this video is sponsored by TreLuxe, so shout out to you guys for sponsoring this video. You guys already know I've already used these products for a wash and go, and I will put that video right here so you guys can check it out. But I did go ahead and put their Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner in my hair. So I went ahead and applied this while I was in the shower, and then I just let my hair kind of dry. Actually, it's not kind of dry, my hair is dry. I had some things to do, and I don't know, my hair still looked good. So I was like, just leave the leave-in conditioner in, and I'll just start back from dry hair and just re-moisturize and do my twist. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you guys are not familiar with TreLuxe, they have a wide range of products. They have a shampoo, conditioner, a serum, cream, and a gel. I actually have all of those products. In this video, I think I'm just gonna be using, first of all, like I said, I've already used the leave-in conditioner. I may need a little bit more. These products will be perfect for Christmas time, and it's about that time. It smells like Christmas, smells like holidays. I love it. It smells amazing. So I already have this on my hair, and my hair feels very soft. And for this to be the only thing that's on my hair looks really good. Now, I am super excited to announce, because they let me know that you can find their products at Walgreens. For the entire month of October, they are having a BOGO sale, so you can buy one and get one 50% off. And if you guys are interested, I will link it below so that you can check it out and see which Walgreens you can find TreLuxe products at. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm super excited. Let's just get into this video. Like I said, I used the leave-in conditioner. Now I actually need some hair ties and stuff, because I need to section off my hair and get these twists a-poppin'. Okay, so even though I have the braids on the side, I'm still gonna try to section off my hair into 4 different sections. Okay, you guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I've sectioned it off. My curls look really, really good, but as you can see, it's a lot of shrinkage because there's not a lot of product on my hair. It's only leave-in conditioner. So what I'm gonna do, go ahead and part in this back section. And I don't think I'm gonna be using any type of hair tools, like any type of brushes or anything for this. We're just gonna do my natural curl pattern, twist it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this out the way. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This is the packaging for the product, and it looks really good. It's very creamy. I'm gonna get some out of it for you guys. As you guys can see, this is very, very creamy. Ooh, and it smells so good. Ooh, it smells really, really good, actually. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. The last time I showed these products in a video, I used the gel for a wash and go, but this time I'm just gonna add the cream and go ahead and just throw some twists. Now, this is supposed to be like a nice, lazy hairstyle. You're supposed to just be able to slop this on and twist your hair and go out the door. So we about to see. Well, I hope they're not too tiny. I don't want to do them too small, but I don't want to do them too big either. So this is gonna take some time. I'm just applying the cream, and we're just gonna go ahead and twist this up. All right, so I'm basically just gonna repeat this all over my head. It's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna put on some music. day and my hair is dry, I think. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready to take these bad boys out because I'm ready to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin this back. I am gonna have some oil on my hands, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and nicely remove them. Okay, you guys, so now that I've taken all of these twists out, and it looks amazing. It looks so good. Like, my twist has never looked this like stretched, but like bouncy, and it looks shiny. Wow. And they look like I can easily separate them and not get a lot of frizz. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it was this cream or the serum or what, because you'll know we've been trying to get it like this for the longest. But Lord, just perfect. And remember, I have a diva cut, so when I do twist outs, some of my ends are gonna look a little bit like thinner because I have a lot of cut hair at the top and a lot of longer hair at the bottom just because of how I got my hair cut. When you get a diva cut, it's not really meant for a twist out. It's only meant for like wash and goes and stuff. But this twist out is looking so, so, so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. But so far, so good. As I'm separating my hair, I realized that my curls are doing something that's crazy. You guys know I changed my strategy of removing my twist or whatever, but look at all these little bitty like waves that I'm getting. Oh, I'm loving it. Like I'm loving it. But what I'm doing is I'm just pulling down on it, and then as you can see, all these waves, I'm literally just going all the way to the bottom and just letting these waves just be, like, just letting them be. So I'm still just trying to take it out. I really ain't took none out in the back section. But look at that, y'all. Y'all see this? Girl, I finally did it. I finally did it. This is the type of twist out I like. Okay, you guys, I am done. And look at my hair. It looks so good. It looks so good. It's elongated. It feels moisturized. All my ends look nice and coiled, but it's like the perfect amount of frizz, especially in person. I feel like on camera it's not even doing all the justice, but in person you can see like every single curl. I need y'all to go ahead and click in the description bar, figure out which Walgreens you can find these TreLuxe products at, and go get you some this month because it's the BOGO, the buy one get one, 50% off. And go get you this serum. Like, I feel like this serum made a huge difference in how this twist out came out. Just to try it out, you guys, you get buy one get one half off. So just to try out something new, I would say go ahead and get a serum. Have you guys ever used a serum? Just wondering. But this twist out is so, so, so good. It feels so moisturized. Let's do a little recap. I did do the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner in the shower, and then I let it air dry. Now, I would say let it air dry until it's about 80% dry. You guys know I did it till like it was like 99, and then I had to re-wet it. But if you do that like 75, 80% dry, I think you'll be perfect to just go ahead and put your cream on. And this is the 4-in-1 hydrating cream, to just go ahead and add this product and then add your serum on it and then twist it up. Also, remember, I also did not use any brushes or any combs, so that may be why every single curl looks super defined, because I kept the pattern of my hair and I haven't been using tools possibly actually for like a month or so. I've actually just been finger detangling for all of my hairstyles and everything. I've been putting the tools away. So also that is something that I did. So if you guys actually try this out, let me know. Come back to the video and comment and let me know that you tried it and how it worked out for you. But I am super excited. I am super excited. I love this. I love this so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like it and you want me to try more twist outs. Let me know, because they're giving me flavor. I think I want to do a twist and curl. Don't you guys think that'd be cute? The twist and curls with the rods I used to do back in the day. I kind of want to see how my hair looks long with that. But anyway, make sure that you guys go to the link below and see if TreLuxe is in your nearest Walgreens, and make sure you go and cop some of these products. I recommend the ones that I tried, of course. I love them. This came out so bomb. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.